Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Commerce Objective Past Question 12. The following are advantages of government ownership of business except A. Creating more employment opportunities, B. Encouraging duplication and wastages, C. Enjoyment of large-scale production, D. Improving the standard of living of people, E. Protecting the masses from exploitation. So, government ownership of business refers to government-owned enterprise. So what is known as government-owned enterprise, and this refers to a business where the government has significant control through full majority or significant minority ownership. Now, some of the advantages of government-owned businesses are stated in the options, and one of them is not an advantage. So let's pick out the one which is not an advantage. So option A, which is creating more employment opportunities, is an advantage of government-owned business. So it is not considered a disadvantage. Option B, which is encouraging duplication and wastages, is a disadvantage. Hence, is the answer to this question, because government-owned businesses do not encourage wastage or duplication in any way. Now, option C, which is enjoyment of large-scale production, can be seen as an advantage. Improvement of standard of living is also an advantage due to the creation of more employment opportunities. Lastly, protecting the masses from exploitation is an advantage due to the fact that a government business is seen as, or usually viewed as, trustworthy to a large extent compared to private firms. So it is an advantage and not the answer. So the correct answer is B. Encouraging duplication and wastages is not an advantage of government ownership of business. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.